Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the health benefits of the avocado, okay? This thing is a superfood, so let's talk about it. So number one, the amount of nutrients is very, very high. It has a lot of potassium. An average avocado has between 500 to 800 or even 850 milligrams of potassium, which is good for energy, good for your blood sugars, good for the heart. It's also, potassium is a physiological relaxer, so it's going to help you sleep at night. It'll actually help lower blood pressure. It does a lot. It has folate, which is a B vitamin. It's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, K1. The B vitamins, B5, B6, vitamin E, B2, magnesium, manganese, zinc, B3, vitamin A in the pre-form of beta-carotene. So it's not actually retinol, but the precursor to retinol. But all the other fats in avocado help this conversion. So it's loaded with fat-soluble vitamins, which actually enhance the absorption of other nutrients. Okay, number two, it's very keto-friendly. Now, what makes things keto is how many carbohydrates they have. So per cup, an avocado has about 12 grams of carbohydrate. But we're going to take the net carb, so we're going to minus the fiber, which is 10 grams of fiber per cup, giving us a net carb of 2 grams per cup. So this is an incredibly keto-friendly food. 2 grams of carbs for this whole thing. So this should make right around 1 cup. Number three, it has high amounts of fat. 77% of this is actually fat, mostly monosaturated. This could be very friendly to your lipoproteins. And just so you know, when you consume fatty foods like this, you're not going to gain fat. Okay, it's not going to happen. All right, number four, fiber. And I'm going to have to kind of explain this a little bit because all fiber is not the same. You have insoluble fiber and you have soluble fiber. Okay, so let's just talk about it because the fiber in avocado is mostly 75% insoluble. So I have to explain it. So soluble fiber is fermented for your microbes. Your microbes consume it, okay, and then they make butyric acid, which is really good for your insulin levels and your blood sugars, and it's food for your colon cells. So soluble fiber gels with water, whereas insoluble fiber does not. Soluble fiber slows down digestion. Insoluble fiber speeds up digestion. So too much of it can give you diarrhea. Too much soluble fiber can give you constipation, especially if you don't consume enough water. Now, I notice when I eat a large salad, I get thirsty. I need to drink more water. Well, that is because your body is telling you we need to add the water because in the dissolving process, it needs water. Now, anytime there's fermentation, there could be gas involved. And this is why I wanted to explain this because there are two types of insoluble fiber, okay? There's fermentable insoluble fiber and non-fermenting insoluble fiber. So one type of fermenting insoluble fiber is resistant starch. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because when you consume resistant starch, which usually is in potatoes, it's in bananas, and it's in some other foods as well, this could give you gas because it's fermentable by your microbes. But of course, if you're in keto, you're not going to be consuming potatoes or bananas. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. All you need to know is there's different types of fibers that are influenced differently by your body. And with avocados, it's 75% insoluble fiber. Okay, the 25% can be used for your bacteria. All right, lastly, phytonutrients. Okay, this is an additional health benefit going beyond these nutrients right here. So you have carotenoids, phytosterols. Oh, and by the way, carotenoids, being a very powerful phytonutrient, are fat-soluble. So when you consume other fats with it, you get better absorption. And the benefits of phytonutrients are anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, and on top of that, they can really support your blood sugars as well. All right, guys, there you have it, the 5 health benefits of an avocado. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications. Daily notifications, that sounds weird. Well, I'll just remind you on a daily basis. How about that?